Man, it is another Saturday, another release day, and another retro is sitting. This is the new norm, man. Hey, I'm loving this, y'all. Let's talk about it.
It's the means. If they fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth. This is Technology, and today we will be talking about a Jordan retro that, man, if this sneaker would have dropped, I know I keep saying this, bro, but if this sneaker would have dropped 5-6 years ago, it would have been an absolute problem, man. But before we get off into this content, man, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your boy. If this your first time tapping in, welcome. I appreciate you guys for pulling up. Make sure you hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. Make sure the notification bell is turned on, man, and I would greatly appreciate it. Now, today we had this sneaker that did drop, and this was a sneaker that I've been waiting on. But I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna keep it a buck, very transparent. I did not go after it, and I didn't even wake up for the sneakers drop. I slept all the way through it because I knew this sneaker was gonna sit. Just because I know we keep saying Jordan 1s are dead, but it's like, it's not just Jordan 1s. Just in general, Nike's dropping too much at the same time. And the price point of $225, $250 a pop, it's kind of just like, bro, ain't nobody getting paid more money out here in this economy, man. So it's like we got to pick and choose, and I just feel like if it's not extremely hyped or a Jordan 4 at the moment, the shoes are gonna sit. So when I seen this shoe officially released, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna sit around, wait around. I will be able to get this shoe. I said, if you did the same thing I did, you waited, you're gonna be able to pick this sneaker up for about $150, bro. Like if you got discount stuff like that. Even on the aftermarket, lightly used pairs, you know, maybe somebody bought it just for hype, or maybe they invested in it because they didn't know the sneaker game and they're looking to offload it. You might be able to get this thing for $130, $140, man. Like, it's just a great time to be a sneakerhead. I know a lot of people saying it is not, but being able to actually cop grails and OG retros is a blessing, fam. Now, I know a lot of people was not interested in this thing. The price point was $200. And I know a lot of people was not interested in it because they took away the blue on the front side toe box and they made it white. And I'm just like, something so minor, bro. And then people were saying like the leather quality ain't that great compared to the old ones. But it's like, I mean, I don't think it's that off. You feel what I'm saying? I did get to see them, and I will have a review coming pretty soon for you guys of the 2024 version of these. But just the minor changes that I see that happen on these, I don't understand. Like, we get shoes completely reimagined 1.0, 2.0. It's like extreme changes and people go crazy for them. And then we get an OG and it's very slight changes and differences and people are just like, yep, don't want that because it's not what you're. And I'm like, dude, come on, man. Like, let's keep it a buck. If I'm not mistaken, I think the original pair had the all white on the side. But hey, correct me if I'm wrong down in the comment section, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. But it is what it is. So y'all let me know down in the comment section. This is a sneaker that you went for and were you able to secure? I'm pretty sure that you were. And are they sitting in your area? I know they're sitting in my area here in Florida, but the storm and stuff is kind of crazy. So I didn't go out because I was going to go out and actually show them to you guys. But I decided not to do that. But what sneaker are you looking forward to? Now, we got the Kobe's coming up on Tuesday. Those are going to sell. Like, those are going to fly, I'm pretty sure. So it is what it is. But as far as the Jordans are starting to sit, and they are sitting religiously. So thank you guys for that. I hope that I'm able to continue to cop the sneakers I want for below retail. But that's all I got for you guys. I want to come at you real quick and just say, hey, listen, don't be upset the shoes are sitting. It's okay. I know a lot of us content creators, we get on here, we say, shoes are sitting, shoes are bricks. Just because they sitting don't mean they're bricks. Like, it just means that right now, the economy is what it is. People are picking and choosing. And unfortunately, the OG sneakers is not what people want nowadays. They want to reimagine. They want some kind of theme to go along with it. And that just means that we're able to cop it. So, hey, again, that is a blessing. I appreciate you guys for rocking with your boy. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about is just bait. Wait for me to share my fate. Hey, if nobody else told you, I love you, God loves you, and anything that you're going through, give it to him in prayer, and I promise you, he'll take care of it. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.